Hello people, welcome to this episode of Niger Food Tube. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my version of ayamase stew. Ayamase stew is popular among the Ijebu, southern western Nigeria. It's a delicacy that is usually served as a side dish with ofada rice. For this recipe, we'll need fresh green bell pepper, fresh red bell pepper, dry red bell pepper, that's dry tatashe, some ginger and garlic, fresh red chili, that's shombo, some scotch bonnet, atarodo, onion, roasted fish, some fresh eggs, locust beans, that's ogiri or iru, pomo, beef or assorted internal tissues, some oil palm, seasoning cube, salt to taste. I'm serving it with some fried plantain. We'll begin by boiling the meat because I'll be using the stock to prepare my ayamase. I begin by blending all the fresh pepper, the fresh red bell pepper, green red bell pepper, red chili, scotch bonnet and onion. Here is the blended dry bell pepper. I had to soak it in hot water for about 30 minutes to soften it a bit. Here I have my blended ginger and garlic. I'll pour and mix with the fresh blended pepper. To continue, I'll pour all my fresh blended pepper into the boiling stock. I'll also pour my blended dry red bell pepper into the stock. I'll mix together thoroughly and allow to cook till dry. After about 30 minutes of cooking, the pepper should look like this, thick and pasty. I'll continue by bleaching my oil palm till it becomes transparent, just like vegetable oil. You have to be very careful when bleaching your oil palm because it gets highly inflammable. I had to put off my gas and allow the oil to rest for a while. At this point, I'll begin frying my pepper proper. I'll add my locust beans and stir it in. I'll add my seasoning cube. I'll add some salt to taste. Keep stirring and allow to fry. I'll then add my pomo and stir. It's time to add my beef. I'll also add my hard-boiled eggs. I'll stir. Cover and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. As you can see, my ofada rice sauce is looking so appetizing. I really wish you can perceive this. Finally, I'll add my roasted fish for additional flavor. I'll cover and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Wow! My ofada sauce is ready. I really love the look of this sauce. I love the fact that it's looking colorful and sumptuous. I usually prefer this version as against the general greenish looking ayamasi. I will be serving my ayamasi stew with ofada rice, which is already done here, as you can see. Kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the button below, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.